Hello guys, my name is Duncan and thank you for watching P Entertainment. Today I'm going to take you through our newest POS system that we have built from the scratch to manage the businesses. As you know, POS system, it means point of sale system. The system is built to sell products, receive money, and also to do your day-to-day calculations and to manage your inventory. So be with me till the end as we go through the system. We will see the features and also what it has to offer in terms of reports and the processes. Be with me till then. Let's dive into it. Thank you. Now, welcome back. For now, I'm using Quill Urban Stationers. This is one of our shops. We normally sell books. So most of the things that you will see in here, it contains stationaries or books or items that are normally found on bookshops. Now, what do we have in this page? On this page, we have time, dates, and the day. So today is on Wednesday, December 3rd, 2025. So the time is 19:53, and also you can see the second. Also on the other side, we have the logo of the business, name of the company, and also we have some text scrolling down there, which is there's useless facts to keep the users connected to the system. And also the system will be showing you your weather based on the current location where you are. Also the system will be showing you news and also breaking news, that is, and also the recent products we have added inside the inventory system. So on the other side, we have the login screen. Here is where your users normally log in. The system basically has three roles: that's the user role, manager, and the admin roles. So let's dive into it. Let us log in using the user account first. So for the users, they don't have much information to say of the system. This is the only page. This is the page for the normal employees or the normal users of the system. They normally see the logo, the dates, the time, company name, and the products that we have. So you can choose to search the product or just scroll down to check the product that you need to sell. So let's say I have a customer who needs this item. So someone might ask about the images. So the images, you can either upload them yourself for product, or the system normally generates its own images in case the product doesn't have the saved image. So images are random but appealing to the eye. Now system, let's go to the cart. So once you put a product to the cart, you can either add from here. You can just double tap the times that you need the product. Let's say I want to sell this A4 squared. You can see the amount is 60 bucks, and also I need 3 pieces of them. So 60 bucks times 3, it's 180. So you can still see subtotal. You can add your tax, the percentage. Currently my percentage is 0. I'll add later. As you know, the business must be paying taxes. Now let's proceed. So basically I have 4 payment methods. That's cash, card, M-Pesa. As usual, we are in Nairobi. It's M-Pesa Nation now, and we also pay later. These are the customers who normally pick the products and pay later or as a debt. Now if I select cash, I love to insert the amount. Then if they are less than the amount due, system won't proceed. I can use card. Or card doesn't have any much information, but I will be doing some configurations here. For M-Pesa, you will have to insert. Currently system is not configured with the unique M-Pesa APIs. so that to link the system so that you can prompt the user to pay, or you can just, once it has been paid, you can just insert the M-Pesa code, confirmation code here. If the payment method is pay later, you'll have to insert customer name and the phone number of the customer for the follow-up, and also the system will send a text, a reminder, if the debt is has not been paid after some few days. I have currently set 3 days. If you haven't paid the amount in 3 days, system is automatically set to share the text just to remind you that you have some amount you need to pay to Quill Haven. Now let's use cash. Let's say let's use M-Pesa. Just insert the code, a random code. I confirm sale. System generates the receipt, just the logo, company name, contacts for the business, sale or receipt ID, the date, time, the items that you purchased, and also the total amount and the payment method that you used. So if the system is connected, or the PC is connected to the thermal printer or any kind of your printer, you just print. So also we can set it to print automatically, but for now, for testing purposes, I just have to click on print and it will print the receipt depending with the printer that you have selected. So currently, let me just select, let's put this one. Let's use, or I can still use thermal printer. Let's see. Yeah, this for this black and white printers. I can use thermal printer. Let's try this. The system is responsive, so it has to configure the printer or configure the receipt to print that selected printer. You can see this. Yes, this one. So this one is what will be printed to your printer. So currently I haven't connected any printer, so I can just cancel. So just for the show. Now that's the end for the normal user. Also you can toggle that's light or dark mode. So normally I like dark mode. Let's log out. Let's log in with the manager's account. Validations invalid. Initial another account. Yes. Now for the manager's account, the manager can see the total sales of the day, expenses of the shop that day or that month, items or items that are low in stock, new customers, and the total revenue of the day for all the users who sold that day. Still, he or she can sell the products as a normal user. Can add items to the inventory. This is how our inventory looks like. These are the total units. These are purchase value for the whole products in the system. This is the sale value and grand profit. So once we sell all these products, this is the profit that we'll be making. We have categories. These are the products. There is images. These are the code just to track each item. So they are system generated. You don't have to insert this one anywhere. The product name, category, stock. If the stock is below 10, the system normally notes that as a low in stock item. There's sale price, purchase price, profit margin, and total profit. And you can also edit this. You can still upload image, you can edit, but you can't edit the category. And you can also edit the supplier, but currently you can't. That's the work of the main. So let's try to add a new product. Just insert the product name. Let's say double-sided. Okay. This one will be generated automatically. So you will put it to a respective. So currently I can't see any other category. Let me just use paint. Let's say they are 10. Let me change the name. Let's put HP1 pencils. Yeah, 10. Purchase price, let's say one was 15 bob. We'll be selling it at 20 bob. Supplier was this supplier. I save product. So if you come here, you'll see the product. Here it is. It was HP1. This one, HP1. Then product is 20 bob. So if we select, you can still make a sale. You can see the image has been generated automatically. This one different from any other image. So that's for inventory. You can still add category of the products with the description. You can add suppliers. Supplier will need to add a name, a contact person, all these details. So on reports, the manager can view reports. So reports looks like. So it's a report and analytics. Sorry. So here you can choose any column that you need to appear from the report. You can filter by payment method, the dates. You can print and you can download. So if you filter with payment method, it will show the items that were sold on M-Pesa. It will show the dates, sale ID, user, whoever sold, either a user or manager or any other user by the name, the sales that he or she made that day, payment method, and the code. Let's see all. So for the cash doesn't have much details. It will just show the amount, the tax, and the total and the profit. And also you can view the receipt, the item that was sold. Also for pay later users, let's check one for the pay later. This is for the pay later customer. You can see the name, the phone number, and the amount that needs to be paid. You can still view the receipt. Payment method was pay later. As you can see on the report, it has different colors. For M-Pesa is green. For cash is the color, and for the pay later it has a different color. Here is where you insert your expenses for the shop. Any expense, let's say you have bought, I'm going to pay rent. Let's say 10,000. This shop rent. Save the expense. System will just pick, and if we go back to the dashboard, you will find out it has increased the expenses and it has increased the amounts that you are selling. Let's log out. Let's go to the admin page. That's where it has a lot of configurations. So I've just included this for fun. As you can see, the Guinness Book of Records. So these are the useless facts. These are the recent items that we have added. Okay. Now, for the admin, you can see it has a bit of features. Apart from the normal features, that is dashboard, POS system, inventory, sales, customers. You can add users. You can add a user. You can see loading. It's loading users. You can just view reports as usual. Expenses, user logs. You can see whatever any user did the system, either adding products, selling, with the actions that the any user took once logged into the system. On settings, you can set company details, logo, company name, contact information. This is where you set taxes. You can set any tax amount that you need, say 16%, 10%. Then if you want the tax to appear on the receipt, you just turn this on, and then you save. So once you save, the system will show notification that it has saved. So next time you'll go to make a sale. I don't know why it's taking time to load this. See. Okay. This one, yeah, the mean. So next time we go to make a sale, system should show the tax. You can see the tax is being applied to the product. So the total amount you are selling the product will be calculating, deducting the tax. What any other thing? If you want to appear on the receipt, we turn this on. This for APIs that I'm using for the weather, the news, and fun facts. That's all for the system. We are still adding some features. For the dashboard, these tables, weekly sales, and just track or sale for each day. So it will show the profit margin here. These are the recent sales and the payment methods. Yes, that's all we have for today. Once I add some more features, I'll just be updating you. I will update you anytime I add any new feature. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Thank you, guys.